Deputies in Washington County say they found the body of Pedro Argote, the man accused of killing Washington County Circuit Judge Andrew Wilkinson.
And that's where we begin tonight with our team coverage. DC News Now, Stephen Cohen is at the visitation for Judge Wilkinson. And at first, we head out to our Randy Bass, who just attended a news conference. Randy is live in Hagerstown this afternoon, where investigators just gave an update. Randy, what have you learned?
Yeah, one big collective sigh of relief across Western Maryland this afternoon from both community members and law enforcement as this week-long manhunt from Pedro Argote finally comes to a close. Earlier this morning, authorities found his body in a very rural, very wooded area of Williamsport, Maryland. That's about 15 minutes southwest of Hagerstown, close to the Potomac River. This all happened along a very rural country road. Neighbors there tell me they've never seen anything like it. DC News Now crews were the only ones there on the ground capturing exclusive footage as Washington County deputies and Maryland State troopers searched the area this morning, first telling us they were only looking for additional evidence in the case, later revealing they'd found a body and positively identified that body as Pedro Argote. Deputies during this news conference tell us they went back to that area just as a precaution to continue their search and make sure they weren't missing any evidence at the scene. They said they were trying to search some of those wooded areas across the county. Argote was accused of killing Washington County Circuit Court Judge Andrew Wilkinson a week ago today, after Judge Wilkinson finalized his divorce from his wife and gave her full custody of their 4 children. Hours after that hearing, Wilkinson was shot dead in his driveway. What followed, a lot of fear and sadness in the hearts of family, community members, and neighbors. Today, though, they're feeling thankful and relieved.
Helicopters flying all night long was kind of nerve-wracking, you know. They had to do their job, but whoa. And so you didn't sleep. You didn't sleep very well. But I'm just glad it's over. I know I'm glad for his wife and his children that it's over. And, you know, because it's just so much stress.
We just came from Judge Wilkinson's viewing, met with the family. They were very appreciative. Yeah, it brings a little bit of closure to them, but it's still a tragedy. They lost a husband, a father, and a brother.
Yeah, law enforcement and neighbors here in Washington County definitely sleeping a little bit easier here tonight. That nationwide manhunt underway for a very long week for people here in this community. That manhunt coming to an end just a few miles away from where tragedy struck last week. Back to you.
Randy, memorial services for Judge Wilkinson are scheduled for this afternoon and into the weekend. Are police maintaining a presence there?
Yes, they are maintaining a heavy presence at that funeral and at those viewing services that are happening this afternoon. Like you said, into the weekend, they will be out there maintaining that presence. They tell us now just a little bit more relieved and still on guard, but won't necessarily have to look out for the suspect at any of these events or worry so much for their families as they go out to attend these events. And of course, they're also keeping in mind the safety of other judges here in Washington County, Maryland, and across the state. Some of them still under protective detail as that manhunt finally winds down and things start to return to normal. Live in Hagerstown, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now.
Randy, thank you. Visitation is taking place right now for Judge Wilkinson.
And our Stephen Cohen is there now. So, Stephen, tell us, how are people reacting tonight?
Well, Tosin and Mark, as Randy said, there is a very heavy police presence here at the busy Douglas Fiery Funeral Home on the north end of Hagerstown. Family, friends are paying their respects to celebrate the life of Judge Andrew Wilkinson. He's been on the bench since 2019, appointed by then-Governor Larry Hogan. Before that, he worked as an assistant county attorney, and he was in private law practice, too. He's also been very active in the community. He was on the board of the YMCA here, involved with their dynamic work in the community, and also was a member of the Rotary Club. As Randy mentioned, the funeral services are tomorrow at St. Anne's Catholic Church here in Hagerstown. The interment will be private. It will be for the family in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. But this afternoon here at the Fiery Funeral Home, there's just been an outpouring of affection for the legal work of Judge Wilkinson, his love for family, and his work for the community. keeping you informed, reporting live from Hagerstown, Stephen Cohen, DC News Now.